Alright,
Yep,
let's
unpause.
get this stripper.
So it's just that she's pole dancing.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Look at it.
Yep, this is
Look how fast I can go!
oh, she's doing the thing. Oh, yeah. Wow. How about that?
Look, they threw a ring at me. Change, which is rude.
I want to make jokes because this is kind of close to home, but at the same time, I don't want to make jokes.
Yeah.
My life is horrible. I'm just admiring that this girl's wearing Chucks while she's doing all this. 'Cause I'd probably wear my Chucks as well. I don't have red Chucks. And I wear Chucks to the gym as well. Which...
I wear Chucks to work every day.
Well, you're going to work. I mean, people... When I go to the gym, everyone's always wearing, like...
Running shoes?
Yeah, and shit like that. And I'm like, these are my Chucks. Yeah.
That's pretty much what I wear. I have flat feet. So, that really works.
You do have flat feet.
Go around.
I knew that. Why didn't she just lift it up?
Because they closed them all.
Oh.
Let them explode.
Well, that man died. Oh, but he won't. Because you're going to save him.
No, those bastards left me behind. I'm gonna die.
That's the dude who stranded us.
Oh, you're just going to
He deserves.
leave survivors to defend for themselves?
They left me to fend for myself. They didn't care if I let them die.
But she's not that kind of girl. Like, she has a... I don't know anything about this girl. Yeah, you're right. Oh, you're just gonna say fuck it altogether, not even go in that room to even attempt to save him?
Yeah.
Wow.
Gotta get out of here. I got a family. I have two sisters.
Yeah, and you didn't pick up the phone when they called you twice.
I don't know how.
Use buttons to walk on zombie heads. Oh.
So what are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Okay.
Watch me, Nick.
Watch me, Nick! Whee! Okay. I don't know if it works this way, but...
If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Holy shit! That was pretty cool.
I can't.
Yeah, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei.
Wow.
You know what to do?
Who's that?
Morikawa
I've seen
Sensei
a lot of
is my
cosplay of this
sensei.
chick.
Yeah.
Sensei? Like
Yep.
a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke
I
Good.
I kind of
Bad.
yeah. I mean, I still appreciate it.
Oh, Hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one
Oh.
word.
Especially if like they actually
Your
make a
simple
chainsaw.
innocence
Then.
is one of the most attractive.
Oh yeah, I appreciate the chainsaw. Like the hard work that goes into the chainsaw creation. Yes.
He's Japanese.
Yeah.
That's
okay.
Fine craftsmanship.
yes. Good work on your props. I mean your prop. Do 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 do.
Girls have boobs.
They do.
Yeah.
Hey. What do you mean you knew it?
I knew that there was gonna be.
Oh. That's because there's a boss coming up, probably. Boss time.
We'll see.
There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3
Blam.
minutes. You lose and blam.
This might be a sucky.
A sucky part.
I don't remember.
What? Game's already started.
San Romero Knights. Oh, this... Wow. What a shutout. 100-0. Decapitate to score points. Remember, you can also score 3 points.
Seems like a one-sided game.
Huh? Hey, look at that!
Here this time. Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
Wow, look at that shit. What are you going for the 2-pointer for? Draw him back out, you get 3 points. We're talking basketball now, so it's like...
Talk sports.
Yeah, sports. Oh, shit! He's trying to block him. That was pretty cool. Well, at least they're doing something different here.
Yeah.
I mean...
I think it's the baseball one that really tripped me up. Because I think they do a couple of different sports things like this. I think it's the baseball one.
Okay. Well, I can appreciate that because this is something they're mixing it up a little bit.
Not that like I'm really aiming, I'm just sawing their
Yeah.
heads off. So again, just button mashing some more.
But still, I mean, it's something
Yeah.
different in a game that literally is a button masher. I'll tell you, if you want to play a really good, well, it's not really a zombie game, but it's kind of like a GTA type, is Sunset Overdrive. Soda pop makes people zombies.
Okay.
And it plays kind of like Tony Hawk meets Grand Theft Auto because, like, your shoes can grind on, like, telephone pole wires and stuff. And it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, did it.
The zombies are getting
Hey,
slaughtered.
we won.
Incredible
We won!
game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action
Who's
again.
who's saying that?
The announcer.
But he's safe. We don't need to save the announcer.
He's safer than his little box.
Oh, okay.
Sure, they have money.
They're making it rain on her. Chop, shop. Oh, okay. More zombies. What the
Bombs.
fuck? Who's putting bombs on these zombies? You had 5 minutes to escape from that.
5 minutes?
Or was it 5 seconds?
Probably 5 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Why would they give me 5 minutes?
5 minutes to escape this one room. What are we gonna get?
I found something.
Yay!
This is an upgrade. My powers. Recovery.
I found something.
Powers. Let's knock down. Oil will help her stamina.
Click, click.
Haha!
There it is.
That was a good call. Goodbye. Good purchase. Good purchase. It's like an Otacon when you're in the deal room buying something and somebody's standing there. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye.
Who says
That-
that?
I-
I've never heard anyone say that.
I don't know. There's guys down there that do that. They stand around
there's
and watch
guys
what.
down there that don't have money. Like, I wish you could buy that.
I hate that
It's
shit.
like, get the fuck out.
Yeah, get the fuck out of my way. I want to buy something. You're in my fucking way. Not that I bought anything at this past Otacon.
You can buy it.
I bought that poster there.
Oh, yeah, no, you can buy
And,
it.
I bought 2 posters, and that was it. I was gonna buy like 2 more, but that particular vendor left. I was so upset.
I bought a lot of shit.
You bought a lot of shit.
I always buy a lot of shit. Because there's always new Pokemon plushies to buy.
There's always. Oh, that's right. We're going to a con on fucking Saturday.
Yeah. And I doubt it's gonna be there, but I'm really hoping that they have the Halloween Pokemon plushies.
I can tell you what vendors are gonna be there
I just kidding.
at the South Jersey Geek Fest.
Oh, they're gonna find us now.
Oh yeah, they're really gonna come to that. Because this is gonna come out like
In 2
3.
days?
Yeah. Shit. Oh god. It's really cool. Their logo for South Jersey Geek Fest is the Jurassic Park logo with
Yeah, I
Yoshi.
saw that, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Well, I highly doubt they're gonna have the Halloween because it's like a
Well,
Tokyo.
it's a Tokyo,
exclusive
yeah.
thing.
That's gross.
But the whoop. Oh, you got another lollipop. See, there will be professional wrestling.
Oh
Though.
man, will these dudes ever stop coming?
The Tiki board games, Craig Max Barbecue Shack, the Gaming Invasion, Nana's Quilt Corner, Frankenstein Comics.
Nana's Quilt Corner.
Yep.
What the fuck are you taking me to?
I don't know. Anthony Perez Art Table, Jagged Edge Gaming, Ann Chan Art Table. Oh, she's got some really cool art. There's Pokemon art, murals. Oh, there's a Raichu! Oh! Geek Mythology Crafts, Firefly Games, Firelight Games, Novel Signs. It looks like they sell signs like that one on your bedroom door with the dinosaur crossing. All things video games. Steve's Retro Collection. Okay. Black Slither Games. A Link to the Past. Retro video games. Welcome Back Comics. 3 tables. Laura Elizabeth Art. Pop art pixel painting. Oh, that'll be cool. Oh, I wonder if she's that same chick that was at Too Many Games. She does like all her watermural art as pixels from video games.
Okay.
It's sick looking. She did some. If it's the same person, they had this one that was Sephiroth from Final Fantasy VII.
That's Sephiroth. Oh, I was confused with the
Okay. Okay, I put out Final Fantasy. In case someone's listening and like, what's a Sephiroth?
Oh yeah, I'm sure people are very confused.
Blue Bear
Like my
Gamer.
parents.
Yeah, your parents are only viewers. Soft Air New Jersey. Oh, an airsoft table. Bean Brothers Coffee. Another video game table. Miles Craft Arts. Oh, they have some pretty cool art. Doc Brown stuff. Amazing Larry's Toys and Collectibles.
Wow. Like
Jenny Buffington Art. Fuzzy Figures. Ooh, they sell plush. Looks like craft. Their own craft. Merchants of Menace. Oh, they sell horror stuff. 7-3 Social Club Tattoo Table.
God, Steven, just die. Stephanie, or whoever you like.
Boba Fett's House of Hats.
House of Hats.
Yeah. Square Painter and Tiny Ninja Art. Oh, they also do art as pixels from like old video games and stuff. That's cool shit. There's some Ninja Turtle stuff that's going on. Raiders of the Lost Toys.
Ooh. I wonder if that's like 90s toys maybe.
Oh, according to this picture, yes.
Sweet.
A lot of 90s
sweet.
toys. Super.
And they're probably marked up too, like,
Oh.
oh, $200. Okay, this thing is filled with your dirt, and I don't want it.
That happened one time. Geek Boy Press. Jacqueline English Art and Jewelry. Custom jewelry. Oh, a necklace made of Legos. How uncomfortable. Super Socks Shop. Looks like a chick that makes plushie hats and stuff. Oh, yeah. Here's a bunch of cool shit. Cheryl's Quilts and Crafts.
More quilts? Who needs this?
Hey, I'm covered up under a quilt right now.
It's not a quilt.
Oh. I have a quilt in my... No.
No, it's
I had a quilt
That's
at home.
comforting.
It was torn up by my toenails. My finger toenails.
you got, like, hand toes?
Yes, I have hand toes, Angelica. Drop it. Adelaida's cakes, table cakes and desserts.
Ooh.
Okay.
Is that like...
We're not having another girls'
Or is
night.
it plastic cake? Or is it like the jewelry that's like...
No, it's
sweet?
cake.
Cake.
It looks like cake.
Well, we're getting cake now.
Okay. 2 weeks ago, Angelica and I got drunk and ate cake. I'm not proud of it.
It's because we were watching Penny Dreadful, and the guy made cake, and it looked delicious, and we're like, well, where do you want to go? It doesn't matter, we're getting cake.
And we're
And then we
drinking.
were at Wegmans, and like, hey, they sell alcohol here, let's take some, but then they didn't have anything I liked, so then we went to...
The story is going so far. Holy God, this level is endless.
Alright. Get out of my way.
You're just
No.
running.
Well, yeah, because they got bombs, and they're on fire. Get out of here.
We're gonna run this episode just a little longer. We're already at
Okay.
our time.
I think it's
Oh yeah, it's a kill.
yeah.
Wow, you chopped that man's arm off for hearts
And stars.
and stars.
Coin.
I was about to go into
dare.
I was about.
Don't you dare.
I was about to start breaking out into a
Oh
certain
my god.
song.
So many fucking zombies.
Okay. Well, I. Okay. Oh, that poor girl's head.
Oh, I said something.
Yeah, I
don't
just
know what it
noticed
was.
that.
I think that was the roulette thing, but I don't know how they did it.
Well, that's what happens when you button mash, Angelica.
There we go.
You don't learn how to actually play the game. Uh-huh. That man
Eventually-
had a guitar!
Yeah. Two of them.
Oh.
They're battling it out.
This school has a very advanced music class. Still got 2 left. Oh. Well, that was simple. Oh.
Oh my
Holy
god.
shit!
Again and again with the door.
Oh, you gotta kill him.
Irritating.
Guess I should have saved power up, but I didn't know.
Yeah,
That they
well,
were-
how are you... Wait, why isn't he... He wasn't even attacking you.
No, we've got like a...
Like, you were behind him, and he just didn't... He was like, whatever. That time he hit you. Hi! Did you die?
Wow, that was weird.
Wait. Oh.
Nope,
Yeah, you
it
died.
died.
Alright.
Alright.
We'll catch you next time on Let's Lose.